In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a raw photo into a JPEG on your iPhone. So if I go and select one of my photos and click on the information button at the bottom, you can see right now that this is a raw photo. So I'm going to show you how we can convert this into a JPEG. Now, obviously the first way to do this is just by screenshotting the original photo. Now, the only downside to this is it will reduce your image quality. So a far better way to do this is just to click on the share button in the bottom left hand side. You can then scroll all the way down to save to files and click on this. Click on browse over in the top left and select a destination where to save this file. So I'm going to select on my iPhone and then press save. Now what you can do is go and open up the Files app on your phone. From Files, click on my iPhone. Now go and locate your raw image and hold down on it like so. You can then press Quick Actions and press Convert Image. Now as you can see, we can convert it into either a JPEG, PNG or a HEIF. So I'm going to select JPEG. For the image size, click on Original. And just like that, we now have a JPEG image. So if you want to go and resave this back to your camera gallery, you can do that by clicking the share button in the bottom left hand side, and then you can just click on Save Image. So now if I go and open back up my photos, you can see now we have this JPEG file. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.